We're really getting towards the tail end of your $100 birthday dinner extension. Birthday, Father's Day, Thanksgiving, Christmas. Just one more holiday to go. It is Thanksgiving in the USA today, and we're having nachos for dinner. We are going to be using yellow corn chips, cheese, ground beef, onions, salsa, red peppers, guacamole, bacon, and sour cream. But before we make the food, we're going to make the drink first, so it has time to cool down before we drink it. We're having oat milk horchata with honey, vanilla, and cinnamon. I'm not going to boil it up completely, just enough to dissolve the honey. Now, for the good stuff. For starters, we're going to need a microwave-safe plate. The base is the corn chips, of course. I got yellow rounds. Next, the cheese. I'm using Tex-Mex because it's got a bit of spice and just perfect for this recipe. Now, we microwave it to melt the cheese. While the cheese is still warm and tacky, we're going to add the ground beef. Onions go on top of that. Beef and onions go together like that because they're just like a classic pairing. The salsa will go on after that. Then the red peppers. Just a small amount of guacamole. We're almost finished. Chopped bacon. A dollop of sour cream in the middle. Green onion tips on top. And there we have it. Loaded nachos. The horchata has cooled down. Now I'll pour it into the cups so we can start dinner. 4 cups. 1 for me, hubby, Lieutenant Snacker, the cameraman, and of course, you, the guest. So glad you came over to join us. Please, sit down. Now, let's eat. You're the guest. Tell me what you think. Should I make a red version and green version for Christmas? That's the fun part about nachos. There's no right or wrong way to do it. It's up to you to customize it the way you want, with anything you want. So many choices for chips. Round or triangle. White, yellow, whole grain, blue and red. This is like next level stuff here, since I think most of us are accustomed to basic yellow corn as the normal color. I have to admit, I thought the blue and red ones were just white, dyed different colors. So, the biggest concern is you're not getting enough cultural food, and the mother-in-law questions my ability to make you cultural food. So, we're going to have nachos for Thanksgiving. I've never made nachos before. I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm just going to do what I feel is right and hope for the best.